This is truly a decisive victory for AT&T. The court rejecting the government's bid to block its acquisition of Time Warner. The judge ruling in AT&T's favor with no conditions on the deal. Judge Leon also urging the Justice Department to not seek a stay on the deal. AT&T saying the deal is now on track to close on or before June 20th. We're reading through the judge's decision right now. It points to the threat that the tech giants pose to AT&T to explain why the merger is not anti-competitive. Judge Leon writing, quote, vertically integrated entities like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon have achieved remarkable success in creating and providing affordable on-demand video content directly to viewers over the internet. Meanwhile, web giants Facebook and Google have developed new ways to use data to create effective and lucrative digital advertisements tailored to the individual consumer. Now, despite the decisive nature of the judge's ruling, antitrust chief Makan Delrahim saying, quote, we continue to believe that the pay TV market will be less competitive and less innovative as a result of the proposed merger between AT&T and Time Warner. We will closely review the court's opinion and consider next steps in light of our commitment to preserving competition for the benefit of American consumers. Now, based on the dramatic moves of the media stocks in after-hours trading, there's no question, though, that this decision opens the floodgates for more deals. Next up, Comcast is expected to make its official offer for Fox's entertainment assets. That bid to top Disney's deal for Fox could come as early as tomorrow. Melissa?
All right. Thank you very much, Julia Borston in Los Angeles for us. Let's trade it here. And we were talking with Rich Greenfield, and he mentioned Twitter in the context of other tech giants that could be at play or in the process.
I thought that was a really interesting, really interesting play. So we saw Twitter bounce. It got added to the S&P 500. Monsanto came out. That got added. I'm still long the name. I do believe you're going to see this continue, even though it's overbought on a relative strength index. It is overbought right now, but I do believe that you'll see further upside for Twitter. Interesting play.
Yeah, we haven't talked about is AT&T interesting. All I've heard so far today is how AT&T, if anything, as a marginalized business, maybe overpaying, et cetera, et cetera. I mean, you could make an argument that AT&T right now at 9.5 times 2018 is trading at a trough valuation. I realize it's not great to talk about the dividend yield, but nonetheless, it's got 325 bips over 10-year Treasury bond. And again, it's trading well below the date.
So you don't believe Craig Moffett?
Well, I think bottom line here is I think that the company, while they may see 45% of their revenues from wireless, and that business is not a great business, the reality is this stock is not expensive.
And it doesn't need the valuation.
The merger shenanigans that are going on. I mean, this stock has been beaten up, and it's trading at the bottom of a range.
I mean, I can't help thinking all this activity looking to try to compete against Netflix. Could they possibly get a Netflix valuation? Why not Netflix valuation coming in a little bit if you have all of these people just falling all over themselves to try to create a Netflix? I mean, it would seem to me.
Well, the valuation of Netflix would only come in if there is a belief in the market that
it could work. But you've got some very powerful people, really, a lot of money behind them.
Isn't it easier to believe, though, that telephone, you don't have to get telephone to a Netflix valuation. You just have to get it incrementally higher than where it is now. So right now, is AT&T valuation better? Should there be some margin expansion? Should there be multiple expansion?
That's a completely different question to me. Totally unrelated.
This is Moffett saying that why would AT&T be priced with a Netflix valuation? You do not need it to be priced with a Netflix valuation. You need it to be priced with a better valuation than it was yesterday.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.